What's up, guys? We're back over here with the flip car. This time we're gonna be changing the front struts and the tie rod ends. So I'm just gonna run you guys through it. On one side, it's pretty much the same thing. So first off, we're gonna swap out the tie rod end, the easiest. So I'm here set up already. Took out the cotter key. I have my socket that I'm gonna be using for the bottom, which is a 17 mil to break it loose down at the bottom, and I'm only changing the outer ends because if you can see, look at all the play it's got. It's got a whole lot of play. You should have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out. I'm gonna break it up here using a crescent as a backup, and that nut you have to break is a 19 mil. So let me go ahead and break that. All right, and break it loose. There it is. That's it. Nice and loose now. Go ahead and remove this bottom nut here at the bottom, which is it's the 17 mil. It's kind of chilly out here. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Take it out now just so I can pop it out. Alright, this is the tool we'll be using to break it loose. The way you break it, put it in there. Set this in here. Okay. I'll reach. The setting it was in at first, you're actually able to adjust it here. Y'all seen my previous videos, you guys will see how I mess with this tool, so you can make it. Since the stud is actually further down, too long, so I'm gonna have to adjust it so it can actually grip right there. Okay, that's that right there. So we're gonna hit it. See, what this does is it'll push against that stud, and the other piece holds us back up. So while you're pushing against it, it's pushing it up. See, here we go. There it is. Just need a little bit of persuasion. There it goes. Pieces out. Now to unscrew it. Okay. This is gonna need an alignment anyway, so I'm just gonna kind of do it as best I can to leave it how it was. It needs an alignment, so just in the meantime. Alright, leave it there. Okay. Just secure it in place. It's actually a 3/4, so I hate the fact that they change out every sizes of parts. Anyways, let's do that. Alright. It's nice and tight. Let's tighten up this top one. That's it right there, guys. Just outer tie rod end swapped out. Let's move on to the strut now. Alright, for the strut, we're gonna need to remove this one, the end link to the sway bar. We'll remove that, which is I believe is a 14 mil. Yes, it is a 14 mil. Then we're gonna remove this line attached to the strut, to the brakes. That's gonna be a 12 mil. And this little clip, this is just clipped on here. So you see how it's got these little ears? Just pull them out, it comes right out. See? There it goes. It comes right out. So once we remove that, we get out of the way. And then we're gonna remove these, the main bolts, which are 22 mils. 22 mils, and that'll be it for down here. Just the only thing holding it in place. Then up here is gonna be 12 mils, which I already started removing. And I started removing them. One of them fell while I was taking it off. I mean 14 mils, sorry guys, 14 mil. So that's the size up here. Let me start removing everything. That's it, right there. I'm gonna have to bring the jack and bring it up just to get enough slack there to break that. Another bolt on this side. There it is, holding the brake line. Holds the brake line and the sensor together. So just move these off to the side. Okay. That's off. Okay. And then just your main bolts here. Those were the 22 mil bolts, the main ones, holding the full assembly together. There it goes. The only thing holding it in place is this Hoodie Link. There it is, it's off to the side. Okay, ready to come out. Here it is. Alright, it's out. Alright guys, so with this one, with the front ones, I don't know if y'all saw my previous video, but on the previous video we just had the strut itself without the coil. So we had to compress the coil, which we use a special tool for this, and compress the coil, remove the nut up here, and put it on the new strut itself. So in this case, I came across these, really good deal for the front pair. I got both of them for 70 bucks, so you can't beat that, the full assembly. So all right, let's go ahead and install this one. Put it in there at an angle. Release in. Alright, that's in place now. Let's go ahead and finish putting everything together. Line this one up, bring it in. Okay, that's in. nuts on. Okay. Get the nuts on right here. There you go. I do it till it stops spinning. The second power level. So, okay, after that's in there, this clip goes in right here. Let's see, locks in place right there, locks in place right here. That's in. And then these right here. This piece goes here like this, right here like this, and that notch. And then this goes here with the bolt that secures it in place. Okay. Power tools are awesome. And now we're going to do the same thing and bring up, compress the strut to be able to get this in. We'll get that end link in, tighten it up, and tighten up the top bolts. Alright guys, I picked up the wheel itself, compressed the strut to be able to get that end link on, tightened it up, tightened up this bracket that secures the brake line and the sensor line, tightened up these bolts, and that's how you have it. Pretty simple. Hope this helped out you guys getting that swapped out. So you gotta stay in touch for future videos and for the project itself, the flip car project. So I'll catch you guys.